Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Shokz OpenRun Pro Bone Conduction Open Ear Sport Headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting with your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. They keep disconnecting. Any kind of connection or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to get a fresh start, delete all the pairing history so that you can set them up on a new phone. Basically set them up like you're setting up a new set of headphones. This will do that for you, and it's really easy to do. We're going to start with them turned off. And then with them turned off, we're going to press and hold the volume up / power button as though we were putting them in pairing mode until this starts to blink red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue right here, and it'll actually say pairing in the earphone. So once they're in pairing mode, then we're going to come in and we're going to simultaneously press the volume up, the volume down, and the multifunction button on the other earbud. Those three buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until we hear a sort of a sound come out of the earbuds, and they might also vibrate, at which point we can release this, come in, press, that means it's reset. Now we just need to turn it off, so we're going to press this to turn it off, and then now from here it's reset. We can just come in, turn it on, and set it up like a new set of headphones.